Hey everyone, today we are at Disney Springs. We're going to be eating at the T-Rex restaurant, grabbing some cookies from Gideon's, checking out the Lego store, World of Disney, basically everything Disney Springs has to offer. Main points of Disney Springs. So let's go do this. Something I've noticed walking around Disney Springs and the entrance to Epcot is Disney got new mulch, right? So you're like, oh cool, the scenery looks nicer, they have new mulch. But it pierces your nostrils and it smells like manure. There's the STK Steakhouse located upstairs. Still have yet to eat there. Morimoto Asia. Ate at a similar restaurant just called Morimoto in Philadelphia. It was really good, so I assume this is a similar quality level. That was awesome. We just ran into Nate. Honestly, I think it's an ongoing thing. I've seen him at Disney Springs twice, so always love running into him. My man was grabbing himself some soup. I'm gonna have to try the soup there. I've never had it, but he's talked very highly of it. My mom has a Landry's card, so we were able to join the walk-up list fairly easily for T-Rex, and we have a party of 16 people, which, you know, they approved us, so that was kind of cool, and we're able to go in, so that's where we're gonna go right now. I always loved the Disney Springs soundtrack. It's like a mix of Tomorrowland with this like upbeatness, kind of more like modern contemporary style. I don't know, it's a very unique soundtrack that I always enjoyed every time I come to the Springs. All right, there it is, T-Rex. Pretty standard menu. I think it's similar to Rainforest Cafe, but you know, something for everyone.
Speak Rainforest Cafe.
Rainforest Cafe? Oh. Rainforest Cafe. This is a very unique looking restaurant, I can't lie. A prehistoric family adventure. We have a table for like 16 people, so it's not ready right now. We're gonna go check out World of Disney while we're waiting for them to get it ready. World of Disney. They got an entire section of Disney 100 stuff. Wow. This is the most Disney 100 stuff I think I've seen in one space. I always forget just how big this store is. There's like not a single spot where there isn't some sort of merchandise that you can buy. And it's all wildly expensive, believe it or not. Last call for the Walt Disney World 50. Get it while it's still here. I like these purple Walt Disney World shirts. You'd think that it's a 100 Years of Disney shirt, but it's actually not. It's just a purple Walt Disney World shirt with Mickey on it. Quite fancy, I like it. Got turquoise Mickey Mouse sweatpants, don't say Walt Disney World, and purple ones. You get purple Walt Disney World, Mickey Mouse sweatpants, and then a purple Walt Disney World shirt with Mickey on it. Nice. Wasn't really anything that exactly caught my eye this time. Some of the Disney 100 stuff does seem kind of interesting, but I also don't, I don't really care. The daily poutine, though, does smell amazing. They got the Jamaican jerk chicken Fritas right now. I could go for some of those. Maybe eat a light meal at the T-Rex and then come grab some poutine. Or not. Maybe I won't do that. Probably not. Probably won't. But, you know, that's an option. I could do that and yeah. All right, our prehistoric family adventure is now ready. T-Rex, here we come. I wonder if we could get a T-Rex burger. Do you think they were able to create the meat and make a T-Rex burger? Who knows? I don't. We'll take a look. We'll see. Well, this is the T-Rex restaurant. It is very loud. I hear a T-Rex growling. I wonder if this has like a meteor shower every like 15 minutes, like the Rainforest Cafe has the like thunderstorm and everyone like freaks out. Yeah. This is a Landry's restaurant, that's for sure. It's so loud. I don't like this very much. They got quite the extensive menu here at T-Rex. From the appetizers, the soups and salads, pasta, seafood, burgers and sandwiches, carnivores, sides. Take off your order, desserts, literally anything you could possibly want from basically any cuisine. It's like Cheesecake Factory, but not as cool. What? All right, now we're gonna enter mediocre. I got the chicken and sausage rigatoni. This is on their specials menu. So, I mean, it looks pretty good, but it, yeah. Well, it was exceptionally mediocre. It was basically Olive Garden food. maybe like one small notch better, but that was it. It was pretty bad. I mean, it was about what I was expecting. It's basically Rainforest Cafe 2 with T-Rex dinosaur theme. So, yeah. A Florida storm's a brewing. Some lightning has been pretty consistent, and hear thunder, feel sprinkles. Whew. Oh man. The rain has begun. It is raining quite a lot now, actually, and the stores are getting filled. People are flocking to the stores, which is really convenient for all the store owners, because now they're getting more customers in the stores because they want to skip the rain, so then they're forced to shop. Well, it's been about 45 minutes, and it is still raining. We're just chilling outside.
Chilling with our presents that we bought for our friends.
Chilling with our gifts for our friends.
They say it's always great down in Florida and that the weather's perfect. I don't think so.
Left World of Disney, gonna go into the Marketplace Co-op, hoping to get a candle. After vigorously sniffing every single candle, I like this one. It's very, very calm, it relieves stress for sure. Now I'm going into the trend store because who cares? So it was basically just more World of Disney stuff. So we're gonna go into the toy store. Well, Once Upon a Toy also didn't really have anything noteworthy at all. So we left. We came over into the Star Wars Trading Post, and this is crazy. They got the Galaxy's Edge Coke, Sprite, and Diet Coke bottles in here, which is really cool. I didn't actually know that they sold those outside of Galaxy's Edge. So pretty neat that you're able to get them in Disney Springs instead of having to pay the park admission if you just wanted to get the Coke bottle. I came over to Swirls on the Water to grab myself a Dole Whip flight, because when it's raining and dark, why not get a Dole Whip flight? So they were actually out of pineapple and vanilla, but they said, hey, have a nice day. And I'm like, what? They're like, here, just take the cherry one. I'm like, what? They're like, have a nice day. I'm like, what? They're like, leave. I'm like, oh my God. And then I got a free cherry Dole Whip, which is awesome. Well, we're here in the Disney Springs parking garage. Finished our nice little evening here at Disney Springs. Got rained out, but that was okay. It was a fun time. And I got a free Dole Whip. So thanks for watching.